Hello students. So today we will be making a circuit to control brightness of an LED. For that we will be specially using this potentiometer. So these are some electrical equipments that you need for the project. You need a battery, 9-volt battery, then you need a red LED, a resistor whose value can range from 100 to 400 ohm. You can take a resistor of any value in this range. Then you need a potentiometer. So in the market, there are various potentiometers available. Like this one is 10K, like over here it's written 10K. So you can take any potentiometer ranging from 10 kilo ohm to 50 kilo ohm. Then you need these battery clips. Also, apart from these, you need a switch, some colorful sheets, and a cardboard. Then you need some Fevistick or Fevicol as well. Okay, so let's start the project. So first of all, just paste these sheets over the cardboard. Okay, so now let's start connecting them. Uh, okay, so like these are the items that need to be connected in some sequence. Like now, my question to you is that, like, what should be the order in which these must be connected? Like, should I connect them in these order, or I should connect in this order, or this must be the order? Like, what must be the order of their connection? So, as we have learned in the class, like, this order doesn't matter at all. uh, just one thing you need to make sure is that the current must get out of the battery, then it must travel like one by one to every element, and finally it must return back to the battery. So just this is the matter of concern and not the order. Like you can connect them in any order. So let's start connecting them. So you can place the battery at any position. So just let me use tape for that. Okay, so the battery's fixed at this position. So now you can use these battery clips to connect them. Like over this circle, you will connect the hexagon, and over this hexagon, you will connect this circle like this. Just press it a little harder. Okay, now what you have to do is, okay, so you've learned in the class like current always comes out from this positive terminal. Like you can see over here, it's positive and which is connected to the red wire. So I can say that current will be coming out from the red wire. Okay, so where this current must go now? So it can go to any of these elements. You have to pass the current through each of this element one by one after the other. So let me first of all take the resistor. So again you can use tape and to paste it, and before that let me just do the connection. So like this is very small to connect, so you can just peel it using scissor or nose plier if you have. Okay, so it's enough now for the connection. Now how you can connect them is you can just keep it them like this, and then you can twist against each other like this. make sure that both wires are getting twisted, not just single one, to make the bond more stronger. Okay, so now the resistor has been firmly connected with the wire. I'm pulling, but it's not getting off. Now you can use tape to paste this. Okay, so now let's just track the current, like where current is going. So current is first of all coming out of this red wire, that is positive. Then it will go to the resistor, and after getting out of the resistor, it will just come here. But now where we need to send this current, so we can send it in the LED. So let me use some wire, cut it using scissor of smaller size, and just peel it again using scissor or nose plier. Okay, so it's enough. Now again twist this wire with this end of the resistor like this. Okay, so it's done. Now just paste this as well with sellotape. Okay, so now the current will come out from this end. Now, which leg of the LED should I connect here? Like, shall I connect the bigger leg of LED, or I shall connect the smaller leg of LED? Like this one is, you can see like this one is a bigger leg and this one is smaller leg. So, as you've learned in the class, that current should always enter from the bigger leg of LED. Like since the current is coming from here, then it's going to resistor, and then it is coming out of this terminal, so it must always enter the bigger leg of LED. So I will be connecting the bigger leg here. You can just stretch these legs like this apart from each other so that it's easier for you to connect. Again, twist these wires against each other. Okay, it's done. Now the current will come out of this smaller leg, this one. So I can take another wire for that here and just peel it off from both ends. Done. So just get the current out of this smaller leg, twist the wire against that. Done. Okay, now till where our current reached, so it has get out of this red wire, it has traveled through resistor, then entered through the bigger leg of LED, exited from the smaller leg of LED, and has finally reached here. So what do you need next? Let's say I'm connecting a potentiometer now. So now, you know that the potentiometer has three terminals and we have to use just two out of them. Now, which two out of them? So you have to always use the middle terminal like this one and one of the outer terminal, like you can use this one or this one along with the middle one. So let's say I'm using this and this. So where shall I connect? Like this wire, shall I connect it here or here? So like that again doesn't matter. So you can connect it with any of these. So let's connect it with the middle wire. Again, you can just peel it off and twist. So how I'm twisting now is that you can just bend it like this and then you can twist the complete potentiometer. It must work. Okay, it's still flimsy. Okay, it's firm enough now. Okay, now the current is going here, 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 and finally I have to withdraw the current from this outer end of the potentiometer. So again you need a wire. Now again, color of the wire doesn't matter technically, but let's say I'm taking black wire. You can take a wire of any color, that doesn't matter at all. Okay, just peel it again. Now this wire must be connected here and it must then go into the switch. Like you can see, this is switch and again it has two terminals. So one end will be connected here and the current will after coming out of the potentiometer, the current will go in this wire, then it will go enter the switch from this terminal. Then if the switch is in on position, then the current will come at this end, and from here, like you have nothing else to connect in this circuit, so you can send the current back using this wire. So the current will follow this path. So let's connect this and let me peel it a little longer so that it's easier to connect for me. Okay, I can just insert and twist this like this. It's still quite a loose connection, so you can use some plier or scissor so you can hold and twist it properly to make the connection stronger. Okay, so while uh like this connection, I tried to make it stronger, but I was unable to twist it properly. So what I can do, I can just, let me first of all paste these elements using sellotape. Now I was saying that this wire is a little bit loose, I know. So what I am doing, I'm just stretching it, and then I'm pasting this tape over here so that the connection doesn't get loose, and like this wire must touch over this terminal, so that's why I have first of all stretched the wire and then connected the tape. Now just again track the flow of current. Like, so current has come out of this red wire, then it traveled through the resistor, then it traveled through the LED, then it went into the potentiometer, came out of the potentiometer, and then it must enter the switch. So you can use any terminal of your choice, like you can connect it here or you can connect it here, like anyway. So again, I'm twisting it like this. You can make a loop like this, press it here, and then you can twist the complete switch like this. Okay, fine. Uh, one. Okay, then the current must come out of this, and I don't have enough space for that. Like, you could have connected this wire directly to this terminal, but since I'm running short of the cable length, so I can increase the cable length using another wire. Like, you don't need this, but I'm doing since I don't have enough wire for the connection. So again, just insert this wire into this terminal of the switch, make a loop, and twist the wire. Now again, here you can see that this is a loose connection. Very loose. So such loose connections often make your circuit not work properly, so you can use tape for that. So what you can do, you can stretch this wire like this, you can pull the wire, and then you can paste the tape so that this connection is not loose now. Okay, so now I can connect this, and let me peel it off as well. Okay, now just twist these wires against each other. You can see the LED has turned on, and you can paste this wire as well. You can tape. Okay, so first of all, I need to show that this this switch is currently in on position. Like you can see here, one is written, and above this, like if you can see properly, here you can see like over here, one is written, and over here, zero is written. So one means on position. So since it is on position, so the LED is glowing. But if you press this switch, then it is zero, means off position. So like now LED is not glowing. If you are not working with your project, you can just keep the switch at off position so that the battery doesn't get discharged. So let me turn on the switch and rotate knob of the potentiometer to see if we can control brightness of the LED. Okay, so you can see like this is really bright. Then I can turn the knob in this position to reduce the brightness. Like this is the least brightness possible. Then you can increase. Okay, so now I've just messed this up all, but you can use a Fevikwik to just make it look some good. um okay. Okay, now you can make this circuit. Thank you.